Hi there, it's Kimberlee from Back Office Diva, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Screen Snip tool in Windows 10. This is an app or a tool that is built into Windows 10. And the way I find it on my screen is if you follow my cursor down here to the lower right corner of my screen, you'll see the icon for the notification panel. And I just click on that. And right here is the option for Screen Snip. Before I click on that, however, I'm going to go over to the page that I want to get a screenshot of. So right here, the ultimate productivity hack is saying no. So if you read my feature article, you'll understand why I chose this article, just for fun. So let's just say you want to send a snippet, just a little clip about the author to a friend. Maybe you know him or whatever, for whatever reason. So you are on that page. You want to be on the page that you want to snip from. And you click on the notification icon down here. Then you click on the Screen Snip option. So watch what happens on the screen when I do that. So up here you get some options. And what I do is I don't click anything actually because it's already on the rectangular snip, which is what I want. So I just go over to the area that I want a picture of, and I just drag and drop this cross symbol, okay? Then I go back into the notification panel, and here is my snipped image. And then all you do is, well, you can do several things. You can write on it depending on the app that you have for opening up images. But mine happens to be this one. And so I can further crop it if I want to. Maybe I want to make it smaller so it's just looks better in my opinion. And then you click the X or the check. And then this important icon is the save icon. So you want to just save this, click on this, then name it Great Author. Okay. And then make sure you're saving it to the file that you want to save it to. For me, I save everything to desktop and then I file it where I want. So the file is named and I click save and then it's on my desktop. And that's it. Basically, that is it. It's as easy as that. And then you can go ahead and upload that, that image from, up onto anything, onto email, onto Facebook or whatever. So check it out, try it out. And I'm sorry for you Mac users. I'm not a Mac user, but I have included instructions in the text portion above this video, and try it and see. Hopefully it's correct. I rarely believe anything I see on the internet, except for me, of course. You can believe me because I show you. Okay, so that's it. And thanks for watching. Bye.